Good morning everyone. Myself Jyoti Kumari, standard of 11th numbers. Today we are going to present our model on the topic auxiliary to trade. Auxiliary to trade, these activities are generally referred to as a service because these are in the nature of facilitating the business activities relating to industries and trade. Most common auxiliaries to trade are banking sectors, warehouse, insurance, advertising and transport, which are going to explain by my classmates. Thank you.
Everyone, just moments ago my friend explained about the auxiliary of trades, and now I am standing in front of you to explain about one of the important auxiliaries of trade, transportation. Transportation is the important auxiliary of trade because it helps to connect with the from the place of production from the place of consumption, and it removes the barrier to connect with the producer to consumer, and from the raw material to the company, and the company from the production from the company to warehouse, and to the people who consume the products of the company. So transportation is the important, and it's different type of transportation, just like air, water, rail, roads, and transport the goods according to the distance and the cost and the urgency. And transportation plays the vital role in the smooth performance and the one of the trade and commerce. Thank you.
Business and finance. Business activity cannot be undertaken unless funds are available, raw materials and meetings other expenses necessary. Funds can be available to overcome the problems of commercial bank overdraft and cash credit. Financial also undertake collecting of checks, retirements of funds to different place, and discontinues of bills on behalf of trades. In foreign trades, commercial banks help exporting in collecting money from imports. Commercial bank also help promoting of company to raise capital from the public. Thank you.
Hi everyone, myself Rajendra from Private Commerce. I'm going to explain about the one factor of the auxiliary to trade, which is warehouse. Warehouse refers to the stocking of goods so that it can be delivered to customers effectively. It is essential in maintaining the supply of product as per the demand in the market. Warehouse acts as a storage center for goods, thereby helping in the business with the sources of goods storage, and also assist in keeping the product safely throughout the entire process of reaching from producers to consumers. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm Nidhu Kakri, Center of Private Commerce, standing here to explain about insurance. An insurance company provides financial protection to individual and business by taking a risk in exchange for regular premium payments. It operates by pooling premiums from many policies holders to cover the losses of a few who experience an unsecured event, such as addiction, illness, or property damage. The company also invests its collective premium to generate revenue of core part of its business model. And insurance company provides security to the business by providing the compensation on happening of the adverse event.
Hello everyone, myself M. Raj. My topic is advertisement agency. An advertising agency is a service providing business which is help to promote the business. It is help to promote the business. It acknowledges the customer which product is not need in the market.